Now we just had this first generation Toyota Tundra show up in our shop today, and it's a beautiful truck, except for the most obvious, the hideous lights. Now these detract from the whole look of the truck, and is a safety issue because of the clarity. Now we're gonna show you how to take your truck from looking like this to this. And you're gonna be surprised how easy it is to do so. We got our headlight kit from 1AAuto.com. We could have went ahead and cleaned the old lenses, but it would have been a temporary fix, and they're never gonna look as good as our brand new headlights. Now most vehicle headlights can be replaced with some standard basic tools using a ratchet, an extension, a 10mm socket, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a trim tool. This is our view from inside of the original Toyota Tundra headlight we removed. You just can't see anything. So how are these supposed to light up the road in front of you? Before we install our lamp, we went ahead and put a little bit of rust penetrant on our mounting points here. It's just gonna help our hardware install easier. Here's a little tip. Keep the plastic coating over the lens until you're finished with the installation. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna record the time on this here just to show how quick you can do this job. So let's go ahead and get into it. So look at that. We went ahead and we installed this whole light setup in just about 5 minutes time. So 10 minutes to do both. You can do this at home with some basic tools. Now, no matter what vehicle you install lights into, they are gonna require adjustments. Now on our particular vehicle, simple Phillips head screwdriver, there's gonna be 2 adjustments, one here and one here. And that will intersect with the adjuster here. Now what we always recommend is when you're doing this here, you wanna go ahead and turn it a few turns one way, and turn it a few turns the other way. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna have these headlights on, probably facing a wall or an adjustment board, and you're gonna watch that light move one way or the other, and then make your final decision which way you need to turn it to adjust it to its necessary and safe height. Now if you wanna learn how to properly aim your headlights, we're gonna go ahead and leave a link to that video in the description below. Now here's a little tip. The #1 product you can install on the outside of your vehicle to help boost resale value is a brand new set of headlights.